Hello and welcome to the Cheap and Easy Cooking Show. What's up, my peeps? If you like my content, please subscribe and share. Don't forget to hit that bell notification so you don't miss a single episode. Hello everybody, on today's episode, I will be making mini pizzas with leftover chicken. These are the ingredients I'll be using for today's recipe. I had bread from Walmart that was 87 cents. I had some mozzarella, some pepperoni, and some marinara sauce. If you enjoy my content, please consider hitting the subscribe button. Let's get into it. This is what I use to season the chicken, but you can use whatever you want. Remember, make this yours. This is a simple process. Just debone that chicken. Take that chicken off that bono, yeah? Yeah. Up next, we're gonna go ahead and fry and season that chicken. I'm gonna go ahead and stir this around, making sure all this chicken gets coated with oil. I already threw down a little bit of garlic. In goes my salt and pepper mix, and a little bit of cracked pepper, and some parsley flakes for color and taste. I'm gonna give that a good mix, and we're just about done. You don't wanna overcook this chicken since it is a leftover. I'm gonna let that chicken sit in this pan, and I'm gonna drain the grease. And away we go. And this bread is ready for its next adventure. Laying all these flat, I'm gonna put my pepperoni, I'm gonna put my chicken, I'm gonna put my cheese, marinara sauce, and then Parmesan. You can't forget the parsley flakes. My chicken's still warm, so I set this in the air fryer for 5 minutes at 400 degrees. And I think these turned out fabulous. Look at that. Awesome. For a leftover dinner or leftover snack, I think this turned out great. Cheese is perfectly melted. Remember, if you like my content, please consider hitting the subscribe button. If you want to donate on Cash App. Cheap, easy. Now it's time to taste. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's episode. See you soon. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.